indirect speech. In this video, we will learn how to convert direct speech to indirect speech if reporting verb is in past tense. Now, rules to convert direct speech to indirect speech if reporting speech is in past tense are change of reporting verb, change of inverted commas to that, change of pronoun in reported speech, change of tense in reported speech, update time specific words in reported speech. I've discussed each rule in detail in the previous video. The link of the previous video is in the description. Now, reporting verb also changes according to the type or purpose of the sentence in the reported speech. Let's discuss this in detail with the help of examples. If reported speech is declarative or assertive, example, he said to me, he is my friend. When we change it into indirect speech, it will become, he told me that he was his friend. Said to changes to told because reported speech is declaring that he is his friend. Inverted comma changes to that. Is changes to was because reporting speech is in past tense. My changes to his because he is referring to his friend. If reported speech is interrogative, example, he said to Mohit, are you coming? When we change it into indirect speech, it will become, he asked Mohit if or whether he was coming. Said to changes to asked because reported speech is asking a question. Inverted commas and are changes to if or whether because are is the first word within inverted commas, and if are is the first word within inverted commas and reported speech is asking a question, then we write if or whether. You changes to he because he is referring to Mohit and Mohit is a boy. Are changes to was because reporting speech is in past singular tense. Second example, she said to Akriti, what are you doing now? When we change it into indirect speech, it will become, she asked Akriti what she was doing then. Said to changes to asked because reported speech is asking a question. We write what as it is because after removing inverted comma, we write the question word as it is apart from are. You changes to she because she is referring to Akriti and Akriti is a girl. Are changes to was because reporting speech is in past tense. Now changes to then because reporting speech is in past tense. If reported speech is imperative, example, the teacher said to Rahul, sit down. Here, teacher is ordering or instructing Rahul. Therefore, when we change it into indirect speech, it will become, the teacher ordered or instructed Rahul to sit down. Second example, doctor said to the patient, change your food habits. When we change it into indirect speech, it will become, doctor suggested or advised the patient to change his food habits. Here, we will write suggested or advised in place of said to or inverted comma because in reported speech, doctor is suggesting or giving advice. Your changes to his because doctor is referring to the patient. Third example, mother said to Meenu, please give me a glass of water. When we change it into indirect speech, it will become, mother requested or urged to Meenu to give her a glass of water. Here, mother is requesting Meenu to give her a glass of water. Me changes to her because mother is referring to herself. If reported speech is exclamatory, example, Ayush said, hooray, we have won the match. Here, when we change it into indirect speech, it will become, Ayush exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. Here, exclaimed with joy is written in place of said and inverted comma because hooray is an exclamatory word that is expressing joy and Ayush is expressing the feeling of joy. We change to they because he is referring to his group. Have changed to had because reporting speech is in past tense. Second example, she said, oh, I lost my phone. Here, when we change it into indirect speech, it will become, she exclaimed with sorrow that she has lost her phone. Here, we will write exclaimed with sorrow in place of O and inverted comma because O O is an exclamatory word that expresses sorrow, and she is expressing the feeling of sorrow. I changes to she because she is referring to herself. My changes to her because she is referring to herself. Third example, he said, I can't believe this. When we change it into indirect speech, it will become, he exclaimed with surprise that he couldn't believe this. We will write exclaimed with surprise in place of said and inverted comma, because reported speech is showing the expression of surprise. In place of I, we will write he because he is referring to himself. Can't will change to couldn't because reporting speech is in past tense. I hope the concept is clear now. Please subscribe and keep learning.